Hello everyone, especially to the OCC, to the Samaritan's Purse OCC. My name is Lord Cedric D. Salvacion and I'm 20 years old. I'm from Bangkaan Christian Church Incorporated na located pa sa Naik, Cavite. So, as far as I can remember, I was around 11 to 12 years old when I received the OCC box. And at first, I was excited kasi being a child, it means a lot to me when someone is giving me a gift, especially someone from far away. And I really appreciate that. So, as I'm saying, I was really thrilled, no, to receive such gift kasi growing up, we are not so rich and so is our family members. So, it's not likely for me to receive expensive and beautiful gifts. So, nung na-receive ko yung OCC box, I just felt so special. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung extent ng never-ending love ng Lord. Kasi how can such people from very far away, from the place I live, give such gifts? So, I really appreciate those people and I'm very thankful for them na even if they do not know my name, they still gave me such wonderful gifts, no? And the most wonderful thing that I've learned from those lessons is that God made all things for a purpose and God made them all beautiful. So, lahat tayo, we are here for a purpose and we are all beautiful. We are all important in God's eye. So, dapat we should also treat other people as God treats us, which is important in our eyes, no? And how am I right now? I feel very good. I feel blessed. Not just because of the OCC box, but because of the family that I have in my church. And thanks to those people, I am now the chairperson of the youth organization of our church. And I am also the head of the multimedia ministry. And I also handle the mission-minded people, those who goes to evangelize and disciple people. And it's not a burden for me. It's a blessing. It's a privilege to serve God in those many ways. And I just want to thank, especially the Samaritan's Purse OCC family, people who spend a lot of time packing, thinking of what gifts they should give to children like me back in those days. And I also want to thank not just the national team, but also up to the regional for giving us the opportunity to be included to this kind of event again. Since then, I was just a receiver of the gift, but now I'm attending the seminar, the training, to share those gifts with other children as well. Thank you and goodbye.